How to whiten a porcelain sink naturally. Say your bathroom sink. Put the shine back into your porcelain sink by giving them a good scrubbing with full-strength white vinegar followed by a rinse of clean cold water. Before you start, please wear your protective goggles and gloves. Clean up your sink drain, number 1. And number 2, pour a cup of vinegar into the sink. Take a scratch-proof scrubber sponge and start scrubbing your entire sink with the vinegar. Drain your sink, then rinse with clean cold water and watch your sink sparkle. Thanks for hanging out with Long Island's home cleaning experts, Teresa's Family Cleaning. We hope these tips help to keep your home clean.